This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
Believe it or not, Lexus wants to be known as a performance brand for daily drivers. That appears to be the thinking behind the GS sedan series, including the recently renamed GS300. First, let's understand what a GS really is. This is a sedan with intense driving in mind, based on a lot of the mechanical and technological features that come with it. While other Lexus offerings focus on front-wheel or all-wheel drive transaxle systems, the GS goes old school. This is a true front-engine, 8-speed, rear-wheel drive platform at its base, the GS300. The return to being pushed rather than pulled along is evident when you get enthusiastic with the accelerator. By the way, the GS300 used to be called the 200T, but while the name changed, the drivetrain configuration stayed the same. Power comes from a 2-liter twin-scroll turbo-powered 4-cylinder engine. The official numbers on it are 241 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, only going to the rear wheels. For the record, the GS is also available with a 3.5-liter V6 and an all-wheel drive version, but we like the retro feel of the GS300. From a driver's point of view, Lexus tries to make the interior a mutually acceptable blend of luxury and performance technology. And as expected, there's a well-thought-out level of driver assistance technology, most as standard equipment. The rear officially seats 3, but in reality, the comfort factor favors just 2 adults back there. So think of it as a nice place to ride for a getaway trip or to school on a daily basis. With 5-inch ground clearance and optional 18-inch wheels on the test model, the GS was poised like a true sports sedan. This was our second test drive with this platform, and one of the advantages of that is another chance to check out its claim to fame. We found it lives up to that image when put to the test, but the rest of the time, it behaved like the rest of the members of the Lexus sedan lineup, luxurious and effortless. This is Greg Morrison.
We want to know what you think, so email us. The address is bumpertobumpertv@cs.com.